Hi, welcome to Totally Random. Okay, so a couple of things here on my bench. I managed to get this 1100 open finally, and I did it with all things of a comb pick. So I just chopped it down. If you see it's rounded at one end, I've taken the tin snips to it, but after a few attempts it's become a bit troublesome and not opening the lock. But anyway, that's not what we're here about today. Nonetheless, did get that one open finally. And one of the things I was doing was trying to make a little bypass tool for it, which did not work. However, feeling rather bored this morning, though I rather couldn't sleep. So you can see in there's no ball bearing. Just the locking pole can be easily moved by a piece of bent piano wire. So it's still got even with a bypass, you've still got to lock it safe from the plug position. Shackle opens, however, that pawl is still back out of the way, so you need to put it back in place, take the tool out, lock it back up. If you did so want to come along again, a matter of locating it and it's open. So yeah, what you can do with a tiny little bit bent piece of piano wire, and you'll notice and have a pick to point with. Notice here it's been twisted many times. It's been filed flat, and the torque on it has slowly twisted it. That mainly occurred in the 1100. However, it still works in here, but it has twisted around. So I thought I'd show you that before it was completely stuck inside the lock or broken in some fashion. Okay, so if you've got any old locks, cheap throwaway type crappy locks like I like to buy, yeah, make some tools and have a crack at it. Totally random. Thanks for watching. Happy picking and keep it legal.